Today, guys, we'll be making a paper airplane that goes really far. For this paper airplane, you need 6 to 8 pennies, tape, and 1 piece of paper. Now I'll show you how to make it. First, you fold the paper in half. Next, you fold 2 ends in. And then you do the same thing again. And you fold the tip in about 2 inches. So now you fold it in half and you make the wings. Fold the wings however much you want. Make sure they're even on both sides. Now we'll be showing you how to put the pennies on the plane. So you line the pennies up near the tip of the plane and you tape them on. Now you put them on the other side and then you tape them across. Make sure you tape them a lot so they stay on. After you put the pennies on, you tape the tip on the top so the wings don't come apart and it goes through the air smoothly. Now we're going to show you how far it goes. Sorry for that epic fail, so we're going to do it again. We started from back there and it went all the way behind the shed into the trail. If you can see, it landed behind the fence and the trail back here. That's behind my backyard. So that was like a really good throw, considering that the last one was an epic fail. So we might do another one if we can get it out. So we got it out, so we're gonna do one more try. Hopefully it might go farther than that one. So here's the second try. That was so cool. Hit the shed all the way from over there. Hit the roof of the shed. That's all for today. See you guys later. Like for another video.